How to join Toilet Tower Defense Discord server. So first you just have to go to the search bar and then look for Discord and open your Discord. Now here you have to go to add a server, tap this plus button here and click this add a server. Now under create a server, you just have to scroll down and click this join a server. And here what you want to do is just simply follow what I'm going to type here. So simply type this. Okay, under invite link, type discord.gg slash uppercase or capital S, lowercase m, uppercase Q or capital Q, lowercase t, number 2, lowercase y, uppercase D, lowercase e, capital Z or uppercase Z, and then tap join server. And that's it. Now this is what it looks like, and you have joined Toilet Tower Defense Discord server. So you can explore some features here. So all you have to do is to click, for example, if you want to explore rules, if you want to explore other options here. So other commands and whatsoever. So you just have to simply explore this Discord and meet other people or user in this server. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.